You search for how to buy shares of Coursera Inc. Coursera is an online learning company that offers university-style courses and professional certificates, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker COUR. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy Coursera, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker COUR to find Coursera Inc. Make sure you select the result that displays the NASDAQ listing and the correct company name. Open the Coursera stock page to check basic company information and the live price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker COUR so you are looking at the right asset. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. A link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to visit the platform.